One of my favorite ways of honoring the plant kingdom is through photography. With my pictures, I can introduce these plants to maybe 1 million people who haven't seen them before. And it would be negligent to come across a patch like this without getting a picture of it before harvesting. And I'm going to spend just a moment of silence with the plants before I begin harvesting. I always take time to be thankful to Mother Nature for her gifts. I'm going to begin the harvest of these 2 3-prong ginseng plants. This is for demonstration. I don't sell ginseng. I do plan to begin helping as much as possible with his propagation so that I may have something years from now. In the Orient, the digging of ginseng root was at one time reserved as a privilege for emperors. So I always feel very special when I'm doing this and consider it an honor. This root turned out to be older than I anticipated, and we had to break because it took a considerable amount of time to dig it. We probably dug at it for 10 minutes. Get these legs out without breaking them. That makes the root more valuable. This root is probably about 15 years old. That was a beautiful, beautiful ginseng root. You always want to leave nature the way you found her. Give all the plants a chance to regenerate. When we take something, we should always leave something behind. In my treasure bag, I carry a little bag of crystals to leave as a gift to nature. We can be good stewards in the forest by harvesting ginseng ethically and responsibly, replanting our seeds, and doing everything we can to leave nature the way we found her.